Seeing PS5 error NP-102942-8 pop up and killing your online play, this error usually hits when there is a problem signing into your PlayStation Network account. Stick around, we have got quick, effective fixes to get you back online in minutes. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are fixing PS5 error code NP-102942-8, a sign-in issue that often means your PSN credentials aren't being verified or there is a problem with the PlayStation Network servers. Method 1. Check the parental control settings. If your account does not meet the age requirement for the application, you can get this error on PS5. So make sure that the age that is registered on your account meets the age requirement for the application. Navigate to Settings, then navigate to Family and Parental Controls. Then select PS5 Console Restrictions. Next, enter the console restriction password. Allow the user creation and guest login feature. Then you can toggle on the button for temporarily disable PS5 console restrictions. Once done, try to play the game and check PS5 network status. Method 2. Check the server status. The next thing you should check is the PS5 server status and make sure there is no problem on the server side. To check that, open PS5 settings. Then select Network. Then select View PlayStation Network Status. If there is any ongoing maintenance or issues with the server, then also you may get the error. You can also open the PlayStation Network server page to check for any issues. If there is any issue on the server side, then wait for some time and then check again. Method 3. Check for system updates. Next, you should ensure that the PS5 is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then from the System Software section, select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Wait till you get the confirmation message. Method 4. Contact PlayStation Support. If the error persists, reach out to PlayStation Support page. Visit their website or call them for further assistance. And that's how to fix PS5 error NP-102942-8. We hope this guide helped you sign back into PSN without any trouble. If it worked for you, give a thumbs up and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 troubleshooting guides and tech tips. Still stuck? Drop a comment below. We read everyone and your feedback could help someone else also. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video. Until then, game on!